LG po ang
Hindi mo kaya nabasa yung pangalan na yan doon sa prepared affidavit na gusto mong papirmahan kay Alice Go?
Your Honor, wala po akong papipirmahan kay Alice, Your
Huwag kang
Honor.
magsinungaling. I have iwan information. Alam ko. Kaya sabihin mo na kung sino yung nag-utos sa yung taga Malacanang na papirmahan yung affidavit na yan. Twice ka pumunta doon kay Alice Go para kumbinsihin siya.
They were invited to go to Davao.
Madam Chair,
Motorcycle.
SP Pro Tempore.
I see Alice Go in disbelief.
Yeah, Madam Chair,
So
perhaps we
could
can
we
ask.
ask, yes,
Meron pong isang picture po with the former president po and me na group po na circulating before. Yan po yung kinukwento ko. Yan yung isa rin po na pagkwentuhan po namin. That's my first time po nakita ko po ang former president. Doon sa group picture niyan na circulating, that was the first time po na nakita ko po siya. Just want to clarify. Wala pong nangyaring invitation po ng Davao. Wala po akong kilala. At yung picture na yon ay nag-iisang picture lang po yon, July 22 to be exact, 2022. Hindi na po president.